What up? Welcome back, everybody. Long time no film. Oh my gosh, and I had to put my phone on silent because everybody and their mom has been texting and calling. By the way, you guys, I have not been on here forever because, a long story short, we are trying to buy a home. Yay! Okay, that's a whole other video. But anyways, I want this video to be short, not long. And it is not sponsored. I bought this baby myself. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I want to show you guys how amazing it really is. I have been an IT girl now for years upon years upon years. Yes, they do send me products from PR. However, I bought this myself. This is not sponsored. I love this mascara so much, hence the reason why I don't have mascara on this side of my eyeball. Because I want to show you how great it truly is. It does make your eyelashes look like you have falsies on. No joke. And my eyelashes are so light, and they don't point down, but they don't necessarily go up. So your girl needs a little bit of help. But I want to show you guys how to get long, false looking eyelashes just using this product. I swear it is so good. So I want to show you how to do that. So bear with me. I'm gonna zoom on in. So let's do that right now. Alrighty, in good old YouTube format, this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara in all its glory. It is $24. Like I said, I am not sponsored. I just want to show you, look at my lashes. Look at this one with the mascara. Do you see? Can you see? I hope you can see. Anyways, I'm going to show you what it looks like as I am applying it. If this focuses, I hope it does. This is what the wand looks like. Do you see it? Do you see it? I think that's one of my eyelashes in the bristles. Anyways, it's my mascara, so who cares? What I like to do is I like to get the wand and just kind of wipe off any excess. I can't speak, you guys, obviously. Clearly I cannot speak. I wipe off the excess on the tube, because you don't want to get clumpy, gumpy, lumpy on your eyelashes. Oh, first of all, before you apply this, you want to go ahead and curl your eyelashes. One of my favorite what do you call these eyelash curlers? Think, Letitia, think. Oh my gosh, it's been too long. Is this one by Tweezerman. I really like it. They have these different eyelash curlers for different shapes of eyes. They have an almond shaped one, a round eye shaped one. I don't know. It just does the job for me. So I curl my lashes first, which is what I did. Then I take this baby, and from like the roots of my lashes, you're gonna see this transformation. I like to just wiggle up, and I go up like this. And if you get mascara on your eyelid, who cares? I can show you how to take that off, but I kind of like to wiggle up and then just go up like that, or even like kind of twirl it up. But you can already see a little transformation happening. Do you see that? Holy crap. But I'm telling you, this mascara alone is amazing. And then I like to kind of work it on the outside. Now, I don't like to do the spidery eyelash thing all the time. Sometimes I do. But I'm just wanting to show you how you can just put one coating of this mascara. I'm just making sure I'm coating every single lash. And how big of a difference this mascara truly makes. Look at that already. Do you guys see that? I mean, it is some bomb ass mascara, and I love it. Look at that. Holy moly. Now I like to put about like 2 coats. Oh my gosh, my lipstick is kind of drying out on me. I love Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, but the one I have is a little old, so I need to like order a new one. But look, do you see that? Like my lashes looked like non-existent before I put this on. But anyways, I'm gonna put like a tiny bit of a second coat. I like to kind of focus on the outer lashes, the outer part of my lashes. But boom, that's about it. I'll put like maybe 2 coats of this, and that is it. And I am pretty much done. Then if you want, you can get like a eyelash separator, which I had one here from Real Techniques, which I cannot find, holy moly. But anyways, do you guys see that? Look at this side. This side's a little bit better. I did a little bit better job. I found one from Sonia Castro, so I'm gonna try to do that. Anyways, check them out. Yeah, so let me zoom on out. Here, let's see if I can do it. Zoom out. But yes, It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, you guys. It is bomb.com, $24. This is one of my mini reviews. Yes, I am back. I'll be back with a video explaining my total absence, but yes, I am trying to find a house right now, buying a house. But yes, check out the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, $24. I love it. I have gone through a million of these. If you follow me on IG, or if you don't follow me, it's at Letitia Laura. I talk about this puppy and so many other products from It Cosmetics that I truly love, and I love it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in this mascara, you can get it at itcosmetics.com. You can get it at Ulta Beauty. Yeah, so thank you guys, and I will see you again on the next video. Peace out.